Okay, we're now going to move to the general information, and there you'll find the contact details. Contact details are of course crucial. Right up at the top we have the front desk telephone number. This is the number for if somebody is lost at 6 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon. Who would they phone then? Not the reservations number, the central reservations number. Below that you have your standard booking details, and you'll see here there's the direct link for online reservations. This is the button or the URL that goes behind your Book Now button, and below it the URL that is for a mobile, if you are getting a mobile site. Below that we have the marketing contact person, and then the physical address, and then right down at the bottom the booking affiliate. And here you can put in your booking affiliate and your booking code, and of course always remember to save.